Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. There's a problem with the 20% off coupons at Harbor Freight. Now what could that be? Well, in my estimation, my experience, 20% off coupon was kind of a freebie. You know, it allowed you to go into the store and buy something you wanted and plus get a free item. Well, the free items have pretty much fallen by the way, but when I bought this item, there was still a free item to be had. So the idea was to go in and always buy something so that you got the free thing. It's a minor benefit, but it was a benefit. So when you went into the store, you were looking for something to buy, just so that you could get the free thing. Well, the free thing is gone by the wayside. But the 20% off coupon was still valid, and I still get them. The 20% off coupon makes you think that something is a deal when it really isn't. I'll give you an example. This box of drill bits. Now, admittedly, it's Harbor Freight, and that means it's Warrior drill bits, and they're not as good a drill bits as what you can get from pretty much anywhere else. But it was a full set of letter, number, and fractional drill bits. That means that you can tap nearly any size up to 1/2 inch. Buying them at 20% off, and at the time getting a free item, meant that they were about $40 for the box, which was a lot of money. That's basically 4 months budget for the shop, but I decided to splurge. Now, I didn't need them right away. I opened them when I got home and looked at them and said, yeah, that's nice. It's got a little card that gives you all the decimal equivalents of drill sizes and drill size and letter size. And I thought that was pretty good. Then I opened it up and looked at the drill bits and said, yeah, okay, that's nice. These are fractionals, these are letters, and these are number drills. Now the number drills are rather small. The letter drills start out at about, it's going to be close to 3/8. Let's see, kind of give you an idea. This is 3/8. The letter drill corresponds roughly to a 13/32. And they were high-speed steel drill bits, so I figured that's okay. And I put them on the shelf and didn't think anything more about them. I thought, well, I've got them. Now I don't have to worry about it. I can just go on from there. Well, then one day I needed to drill a 1/2 inch hole. And I thought, well, I'll just pull a 1/2 inch bit. That's when I noticed there was something completely wrong with the whole idea. Normally, when you go on a drill grinding gauge, you want to have this be equivalent to that. Both sides of the drill bit equal. Well, on this one that lip's about 3/16, and this lip is about 5/16. So it's so far off that you cannot drill a hole with this drill bit. Now that's the only one that I found, and I haven't gone through all of them. I think I'll just go through and sharpen all these individually anyways. And it wouldn't have bothered anything except I just picked it up and started drilling what I thought was a 1/2 inch hole, and it turned out to be almost 5/8. Yep, it was drilling that far off center. So even though you spend $40 for a set of drill bits, and $40 is cheap by anybody's standards, you still got to go through and look at each individual drill bit and say, let's see, is that one right? Nope, it's off about 1/16 of an inch. Is that one right? No, the angle's way off. Is that one right? Nope, the angle's way off, and it's off about 1/16 of an inch. So every one of these drill bits is going to have to be resharpened. All of them, before I can use them. Now, I can do that. That's something I'm trained and capable of doing. Should I have to? No. That's the difference between quality control, quality assurance, and quality inspection. Quality inspection takes a random sample of the parts and says, are these okay? Are they within tolerance? If that random sample says yes, then all the parts are considered good. Quality control sorts all the parts and says, all right, we're going to make sure that nothing leaves the building with a bad dimension or a bad size on it. Quality assurance says we're going to make the process stringent enough that no bad parts can be made. This company that made these obviously does not follow quality assurance, nor do they follow quality control, nor do they inspect for quality. Just to see if they are as bad as I suspect they are, let's go through and do a quick check on the diameters. This one says it's a 1/2 inch diameter drill, but when I check it with the mics, it's 3/1000 undersize. Now if I was making bolts and they came out 3/1000 undersized, I'd say, well, that's a problem. That's going to fall out of spec. Drilling a hole that's 3/1000 undersize, that means this drill bit is never going to make the right size. If I sharpen it correctly, it'll drill a hole 3/1000 undersize. How often do you want to drill a hole 3/1000 undersize? This one is 4/1000 under. Well, maybe it's just a problem with the fractional drills. Let's try this with the letter drills. This is the Z drill, the biggest. That's actually got a pretty good end on it. The angles are right. I haven't tried drilling a hole with it yet. Back angles could be all messed up. Doesn't look like it though. Let's see. Z drill should be 0.413. We're about 2 thousandths shy. We're at 0.411. A Y is 0.404. There we're 2.5 thousandths under. 0.402. This is an X drill. This one comes out to 0.392. It's supposed to be 0.397. So it's 5 thousandths under. So thinking that I got a set of drills that I can drill holes for tapping with is woefully mistaken. Each one of them is going to overload the tap, and I might as well just not even bother. There's a way to make a drill a hole larger than the original shank size, and that's to offset the cutting edges by half the diametric increase that you need to get from the drill. If I'm using the W drill out of this set, that's supposed to drill a hole 0.397, and this one drills a hole 0.392, I have to offset the cutting edges by 2.5 thousandths. That's fussy work, but it can be done. But why would I bother? This is a cheap set of drill bits. I'd be better off chucking the whole bunch and starting over. So don't buy this set of drill bits. And if you do buy this set of drill bits and you start snapping taps, there's a reason. For this company that makes Warrior black oxide high-speed steel drill bit set, black oxide coated to resist rust, 29 fractional sizes, 26 letter sizes A to Z, 60 numbered wire gauges. Ideal for all drills. Doesn't say where it was made. It says it's item number 61620. But for this company, the Warrior Company, distributed by Harbor Freight, I am the quality inspector. I am quality assurance. I'm not using these until I sharpen them. Also, I'm going to check the diameters of them, because if they can't get the ends right, chances are the diameters are screwed up too. In any case, I cannot recommend that you buy this drill bit kit, because piece of crap. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.